The creation of the periodic table is one of the most significant achievements in the field of chemistry. It provides a systematic way of organizing the elements based on their properties and has played a crucial role in understanding the behavior and relationships between different elements. The Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev is widely credited with the development of the periodic table. In the mid-19th century, Mendeleev was working on a textbook titled Principles of Chemistry, and he realized that the known elements could be arranged in a logical manner based on their atomic weights and chemical properties. Mendeleev's key insight was that when the elements were arranged in order of increasing atomic weight, certain properties repeated at regular intervals. He observed that elements with similar chemical properties occurred at regular intervals, and he proposed that the properties of elements were periodic functions of their atomic weights. To organize the elements, Mendeleev wrote the names and properties of the known elements on cards and began arranging them. He noticed that certain groups of elements displayed similar chemical properties, and he grouped them together. Mendeleev also left gaps for elements that were yet to be discovered, predicting their properties based on the patterns he observed. One of the most famous examples of Mendeleev's predictions was his proposal for the existence of an unknown element, which he called Aka aluminum. He described its properties and even predicted its atomic weight. Several years later, this element was discovered and was named gallium, and its properties matched Mendeleev's predictions. Mendeleev's periodic table was published in 1869, and it provided a framework for organizing the elements that went beyond just their atomic weights. He left gaps for undiscovered elements and predicted their properties, which turned out to be remarkably accurate. Over time, Mendeleev's periodic table has undergone refinements and improvements based on new experimental data and discoveries. The modern periodic table arranges the elements in order of increasing atomic number, the number of protons in the nucleus, which is a more fundamental property than atomic weight. Today, the periodic table is a vital tool for chemists, as it allows them to predict the chemical behavior and properties of elements based on their position in the table. It has been expanded to include over 100 elements, and each element is represented by its symbol, atomic number, and atomic weight. In summary, Dmitry Mendeleev's work in organizing the elements laid the foundation for the modern periodic table. His recognition of the periodic patterns in the properties of elements and his ability to predict the existence and properties of undiscovered elements revolutionized our understanding of chemistry, and continues to be a fundamental tool in the field today.